for those who want to loom, as you want to boo. Bow, if I'm what to do, whoever you are, shit on level 2. You wanna get, just wanna style.
What's good, everyone? Hope everyone's doing well, staying safe. This is Erden, and we are back with another Learn with Erden episode. So I know last time when we had the last Learn with Erden episode, we done the U-Sneaker tutorial, and after that I've gotten a lot of messages. People have been reaching out with different questions on U-Sneakers. Majority of them I've already answered, and one of the main theme of the question is to show you guys how exactly does the U-Sneaker run during an actual release. So I'm actually going to show you the footage of the release for the cool gray Jordan 3s that happened last weekend. I want to show you guys how exactly a normal drop should look like during a release for U-Sneaker, and hopefully that will help you answer some of the questions that you guys had, show you guys exactly what I see during a regular release, and hopefully that will help you guys, give you guys a baseline on what the bot should look like during a drop. So hopefully that helps, and let's roll the clip. Alright guys, so I wanted to use this time to at least show you guys what it looks like for a U-Sneaker drop, because this drop is not as intense or as hyped up as some other drops. So I'm gonna use this as an example, and I'm gonna go on sneaker for it. So normally this is when I start my task, and you see all these messages that are happening, you know, entering email, entering passwords, checking for damn pop-up, and then the status you wanted to go for it before the release is waiting for schedule entry time. And this is the time that you can, you know, configure based on your decision between 10:0001 till 10:0010. Usually that's around the time you want to set up. You see like all these are setting up, so that means that my task is ready to go come drop time. So this is the typical way you want to handle it. And here you should be able to see this is the browser that's open for the release as well. That's where you want this to be, and just ready to hit the submit button. So this is the Jordan 3 Cool Grays. I think the old school sneakerheads really like this colorway just because it's Jordan 3. I like Jordan 3s, not as much as Jordan 1s or Jordan 4s, but I think Jordan 3s has still got its values, it's still got its appeals, and it's definitely got some nice, I don't know, feel to it. Like last year I was able to cop a few of those UNC Jordan 3s, and the material of those just blew my mind away. So you see how several different iterations of status that are showing here. This is basically what you want your task to be. There are some common errors where they will tell you if there's a proxy problem, or if it's just if your web browser is not loading up at all. Then, you know, try a few times. If it continues to have the same problem, then maybe it's time to switch your proxy. Here we go. Let's see, network error. So this one, it's likely that I'm having some issues with logging problems, or if there's an error that's happening. So I'm trying to retry it, restart the task, see if it's working. And this is the browser that's come with. So if it's continued to having this problem, either the network is down or my proxy is a problem. So I probably have to change the proxy a little bit. So that's a good way to see, you know, you can encounter some problems that are normally happening with drops. This is definitely one of them. So you see like my browser is not loading at all. So most likely it's a proxy problem. So I probably have to change that. Once I change my proxy, this will happen, and it was just normal. So that means that that error, the network error, most likely is a proxy problem. Yeah. I'm not gonna go for TSB because I don't wanna run my TSB accounts too many times because they're pretty valuable. Like all the accounts on U-Sneaker are the ones I created myself. So technically they have a higher chance of winning, which is why I use it on U-Sneaker, because it's more human-like activities, like I said before. All right, so I think you see these are starting to loading, waiting to check results. That means the entries are in probably. Let's go for our menu as well. So yeah, see, all these are submitting payment steps. So these are probably entries that are going in. So see, joined, then we're good to go. So you can check your status here, or you can check your status on here. You see, you got the pending, you got the joined. That means your entries are in. It should be good to go. And we'll see if we can get a W here. A lot of times you will see errors like, you know, payment null or something like that. So those are typical errors that you may encounter. And one cool thing about USNKRS is that it will help you check results. You see that page just refresh, so checking results basically, seeing how if you were able to cop. So you see, you know, that's just how you normally would interact with Nike sneakers. So this one, so you could not complete entry, you gotta use show browser button. So that means most likely you probably just have to manually hit something, but I already did that and it's just joined, so we should be good to go. So that means my entry is already in. Nice, got him on manual again. Nice, that's pretty cool. It would have hit on the Jordan 1s and the Jordan 3 so far, so that's pretty cool. All right, so you see we got one that's already didn't get them. So that's basically similar to Sneaker app where you can try to go for it again. So just go for it again, similar to a Sneaker app. That's how you would normally do it, but most likely you're not gonna get it. See, we got the didn't get them. Yeah, so that means that one we just didn't get them, period. If the results still hasn't been showing, I don't know, most likely we didn't get them. That's just the way it is. Didn't get them. So we have 3 more tasks running. Yeah. Nope, didn't get them. All right, so we did not get any of them on USNKRS, which is, I don't know. I would expect it with this shoe. I might have been a cop just because the stock number is definitely a little higher, considering that we hit some of the stocks that are a lot lower than this. But hopefully this gives you guys an idea of what USNKRS should look like during a regular drop. And this is normally how it should be when you're going through a drop, what the process will look like, some of the errors you might be encountering. Obviously, you guys have any more questions, there are definitely errors that we haven't encountered in this particular drop that I've encountered before. If you guys have any questions, let me know. And USNKRS Discord group is definitely a lot of help as well. So check it out. Hopefully you guys can learn something from this. Hopefully this will give you guys an idea what a typical drop will look like via USNKRS. All right, so that's all we have for you guys. Thank you all so much for watching. If you guys do like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't done so yet, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and notification button for us, all right? We really appreciate your support, and your support is what drives me to continue going, whether it's via live cops or via, you know, these Learn with Erden tutorials. Definitely trying to help you guys out as much as I can to hopefully you guys can cop some shoes as well. All right, so hopefully that video helped you guys understand a little bit more about USNKRS. I know this is something that you guys have asked for, and hopefully that helps. I didn't hit anything on USNKRS, unfortunately, but I was able to hit on manual. So yay, it was a W at the end of the day. Anyway, before I go, I do wanna have a announcement to make. As most of you know, I've been fortunate enough to be sponsored by Essential by Syed and Essential CN, and they are, in my opinion, some really good top tier cook groups in the market right now for resellers, for botters. If you guys truly want to take your botting skills and reselling skills to the next level, I truly believe that Essentials is good for you. And they just told me that they will be having a restock with very limited memberships on Sunday, February 28th at 12 p.m. Eastern time. So definitely check out their Twitter page, follow them, and make sure you have your notifications on. And hopefully you guys will not miss the restock announcement that's happening this Sunday, all right? This is truly a really great cook group. You guys saw my live cop last time where I caught a ton of dunks. All thanks to Essentials. They definitely helped me a lot, and trust me when I say this, they will help you as well. So if you guys were fortunate enough to actually cop this restock, get into the Discord, definitely shoot me a message, say hi, drop a note. I would love to see you guys in the Essentials Discord channel. Sounds good? All right, so thank you all so much for watching. In the meantime, keep it cool, keep it real. This is Erden. Peace out.